Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to stretch text in Figma. This is a great technique when you need to create custom typography or adjust text to fit specific design layouts without being restricted by standard font proportions. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to open your Figma application. Once you have Figma launched on your device, you'll be greeted with your dashboard showing all your recent projects and files. Take a moment to locate the specific file where you want to stretch your text. It could be a design project, a presentation, or any other creative work you're currently developing. Click on that file to open it and give it a second to load all your design elements and layers. Now that your file is open, you'll want to navigate to the text element you wish to stretch. You can do this by either clicking directly on the text in your canvas or by finding it in the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. This step is important because you need to make sure you're selecting the exact text object you want to modify, especially if your design has multiple text layers overlapping or positioned close together. Once you've selected your text, here's where the magic happens. Right-click on the selected text to bring up a context menu with various options. From this menu, look for and click on Outline Stroke. This is a crucial step because it converts your text from an editable text layer into a vector shape. What this does is essentially turn each letter into a separate path that can be manipulated freely, breaking it away from the constraints of a typical text object that can only be adjusted through font size and character spacing. After you've converted your text to an outline stroke, you'll notice that your text now behaves differently. You can now stretch your text in any direction you want. Simply grab the bounding box handles around your outline text and drag them to stretch it horizontally, vertically, or even diagonally to achieve the exact look you're going for. This gives you complete creative freedom to manipulate the proportions of your text without worrying about maintaining the original font ratios. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to stretch text in Figma by converting it to an outline and manipulating it as a vector shape. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.